There was a time when reinventing your organization meant finding a new competitive advantage, making detailed plans to deliver it, organizing the process in your organization in specialties, and centralizing decisions to benefit from economies of scale. And in slow times, those techniques were great because they increased productivity. But using these techniques in fast-changing digital times can cause many problems and even lead to being disrupted. Today, it's about increasing the customer's experience, having a purpose and values, working in sprints, organizing yourself around the customer, not around functions anymore, and empowering people to make better decisions. But to understand this and to become successful in digital times, you first need a new mindset and new leadership habits. Does your organization understand this, or are you still using the business techniques of slow times?